Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. As usual, let's take a look in the gold market as well today. So everything stands really nice, and I would say it would be very nice, but we have the one moment that makes overall situation a bit more complicated. From one point of view, this is positive sign, but from another, it makes it a bit more difficult to combine the current situation with things that we have talked in the weekly report. Because on the weekly report, if you remember, we said, well, this market wasn't able to show the upward bounce and reestablish upward action, forming two bearish patterns around 1935 area. And this suggests that market, well, the existence driving factors are not sufficient to show the breakout of this level yet, and market needs something stronger. And currently we are coming to this something stronger. It should be somewhere in the next week probably. Meantime, we suggested that, well, since this will be probably the quiet week and market will start preparation for election, maybe only on Thursday we could get some volatility due to the releasing of the gross domestic product numbers. But in general, hardly we'll get some strong breakout this week, and gold even could show a bit deeper retracement right back down to the 1880 because it was not able to reverse up from the support area. That's what we said in the weekly report. But currently, guys, take a look on the daily chart. We have this minor candle, which actually is bullish grabber, and it suggests action above this top. So maybe it's challenging of this level. This is important. Potentially, this also exists for butterfly sell pattern, right? So this butterfly could be formed. Of course, it will happen on the background of some probably external driving factors, because as I said, breakout needs some additional drivers. So gold currently doesn't have it. Something else should happen. But potentially these swings are inside, this swing inside to this one, and it's potential keep chance for a butterfly. So on the forward time frame chart, you could see it better. For example, let's take a look. That could become the left wing of the butterfly, and that could become the right wing if market indeed will reverse up based on this grabber that we have. At the same time, we could get downside action based on the previous analysis. The fact that market here was not able to bounce up and continue upward action. It has dropped. From that standpoint, it could be ABCD pattern right to the 1880, some kind of a garbage triple to buy. And also recall what we said on weekend. We have this ABC pattern. OP has been hit pullback. Market is dropping lower again. This XOP stand 1886. So we said that probably market should reach the XOP before upward reversal. But appearing of the grabber actually has mixed our plans. So because it points that market should start upward action right from here, and until this pattern is valid, until market stands above this area, grabber is valid and suggests taking out of the top. Here as well, you can see with this minor pullback, another grabber could be formed within a few minutes, and it could also show us this market could proceed higher. How to deal in the current situation? Well, guys, in current circumstances, you will have to, well, make your own choice. Theoretically, you could combine all these patterns. This just will demand from you placing lower stop, because if you would like to rely on the grabber, you anyway will have to place stop below its lows and take into position some fib level here probably. The dealing with the XOP, yes, potentially it could provide better entry opportunity, but anyway you will have to place stop somewhere below this area as well. So to combine these things, you could reduce the trading volume, for example, but place initial stop somewhere below this area. That's some compromise that you could reach. Conversely, if it's not suitable to you, from that standpoint, it would be better to be more conservative in the current situation, because volatility is coming. and better to be more conservative and either wait for a deeper retracement, reaching of the 19 even, 98, while at the moment where you finally could accept the stop order that you could place, or just wait for resolving of the situation. Maybe gold indeed will drop lower, and in this case you will take the position. That is for those of you who can't take the risk that stands right now in the market, because indeed if you were taking position 1905, your stop will be somewhere 1880 is significant, so it's at $25 per contract, and not everybody could accept this level. That's the possible solutions that actually you could consider. Well, nothing else we could say right now. The pairing of the grabber, it's some points in favor of the bulls, and indeed market could start to rally, and as we said in the weekly report, in the case of the Biden's win, we should see gold around 2000 even area. We also have the target around 2160 on the weekly chart. This is butterfly target, and we think that in this case market could reach this level. But at the same time, we do not think that the long-term bullish rally will continue right from this point. So after reaction on the Biden's victory, we suggest a significant pullback on the gold market before it will turn up again. That's approximately what we expect within the few months. Actually, everything we said in the weekly report. But in current situation right here, so, well, that's the things that you will have to decide. It's mostly more the question of the money management rather than the direction. So, existence of the grabbers points the direction. In general, trend stands bullish on the daily. And that's the question whether you would like to put the bet on this grabber and whether this risk is acceptable to you. If not, it would be better to sit in the hands and see what will happen.